That you give her a moment to make her way to the front so that she can get on the first bus. We'd really appreciate it. We do want to make sure that she makes it to her final destination for Thanksgiving. Thank you.
You put your trust in us. And we've never taken that for granted. In one of the hardest years imaginable, you named Delta #1 in customer satisfaction among airlines in North America. That means the world to us. So thank you from all 75,000 of us. Together, we'll keep climbing, one flight at a time.
Memories are more powerful when we make them together, shared with friends and loved ones. Every flight is a chance to celebrate together. And when we celebrate, we connect the world.
Welcome aboard.
Welcome aboard. Welcome aboard, and thank you for flying with Delta.
Our first priority on every flight is the health and safety of our customers and crew. So before we depart,
Please pay attention to this important safety message. Be sure that all carry-on items are securely stowed in an overhead bin and place smaller items, including handbags, under the seat in front of you. If you lose your electronic device in your seat, please do not adjust your seat and ask a crew member for assistance. Please ensure all aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas are clear.
as we leave the gate, make sure your seatbelt is fastened. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and adjust the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release the belt, just lift the top of the buckle.
Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened anytime the seatbelt sign is on. Even if the sign is off, please keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated in case of sudden rough air. In the event of rough air, the crew might also need to buckle up for safety. We apologize if this means our service is interrupted.
Federal regulations require all passengers to comply with the posted placards and lighted information signs located throughout the cabin, in addition to any crew member's instructions.
Smoking, the use of e-cigarettes, or any smokeless product including chewing tobacco is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying restroom smoke detectors. There are 8 exits on this plane, 8 doors, 4 on each side. 4 doors have detachable slides that can be used as rafts. An additional raft is located in an overhead bin in the middle of the plane. In the event of an evacuation, leave all carrying items behind. All exits are clearly marked with a green symbol. Arrows indicate the direction your celebrations take you. Thanks for choosing Delta to fly you there. Now, as we get ready for takeoff, please settle in and have a wonderful flight. Thank you for flying with Delta.
It's our pleasure to welcome you to Sacramento, where the local time is approximately 11:41 p.m. Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened and carry your items stowed until the aircraft is back at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. We ask you to please be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injuries from items that might have issued during the flight. In the next few hours, you may receive an email survey from Delta. We welcome value feedback and use response to continue to improve your travel experiences. We also invite you to download and use the Flight Delta app for all your future travel needs, including checking for a flight and manage your SkyMiles account. And how's the plane today? Please remember to take a look around your seat and make sure you have everything you brought with you on board. On behalf of Delta and the entire Boston crew, we certainly have enjoyed having you on board tonight, and we can't wait to see you again. Have a wonderful evening.
That was for arrival, cross check, okay.